Hi, welcome to this quick EstimatorXpress video on the bar chart planner for EstimatorXpress. In here, it allows you to edit the length of build phases that are included, and also their durations on a chart that you can then produce for your customer. The dates in here also reflect within the report section for such reports as material order schedule. This also ties into our Project Expert software, allowing you to control these phases to a high degree of accuracy and then porting back to EstimatorXpress. When you enter this section, automatically the Edit Bar Chart button, or I could say options here, will appear, allowing you to control the start days, weeks of each phase and also their duration. If I was to say for the site acquisition here, it was not actually required, I can then remove that, hit refresh, and it will then remove that from the bar there. I can also come along and make a phase such as the brickwork shell longer. I can say the duration is in fact 10 weeks. I can then cascade that and it will move the following phases to an appropriate point as they are all linked together. I can then refresh this to bring that in correctly. If I want to tidy this up as well, I can come up here, design phase, and say the start week is back to week 1. Once again, cascade, and everything follows along, refresh, and then that will now fit in. I can continue doing this until all the phases are the correct duration, and I've also eliminated possibly phases that I don't need. I can do this by clicking on Remove Unused Build Phases. You can see the ones that I've not actually done any estimating for. So just click yes, and it simplifies this for me as such. And click on Edit Bar Chart again, and then start moving these phases to somewhere more appropriate. There we go, quickly done for me. If I need to add in any bars, I can actually add in additional bars as such. So I can come down here now, and if I need to add in any particular kind of phase, such as demolition, I can add that in. You may find that demolition is added in as a phase automatically into these bar charts if you're doing something like a knock through in your estimating. I can then take that demolition and move that to an appropriate point within the estimate. There we go. I can also filter bars to take a look at a certain section as well. So I can look at roof structure, tiling, joinery first fix, select, and just see those dates as such. What I can do as well is I can then print that off for the customer and include that within my estimate. If I want to see how that reflects in the reports, I can come along here and say use the material order schedule report there, open that report, and the dates as shown within the chart are now representative for the beginning of the phase here, and also when I should be ordering my material using the pre-order time associated with each material within the price book. Okay, that's a quick overview of the bar chart there and how it all operates. If you do have any questions, please give the support team a call on 0117 916 7899. That's 0117 916 7899. Thank you.